little boy? Cut their balls.
Why are you taking pictures of me, woman?
I'm not.
She likes you.
Oh yeah. Let's do a photo shoot, Curtis.
Oh, nah.
What a turd.
Look who's talking, shitbags!
You're the brown one.
Yeah, I'm brown, but you're white. That means you're shit that's been cummed all over, bitch.
Want to do that
Or
again
you just
this
say
time for a
I'm first,
picture?
shit. You said on video.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. It's gonna get 1 million hits.
I have nothing against handicapped people.
Dude,
I just like...
this is the guy I was talking about. Remember how my name says Jerry C is the man? This is him.
He's the ball sucker. Ball sucker. I'm not talking about him, I'm talking about you.
Oh. Why would I take your job?
God, it's cheap on gas.
It's only because yours gets shoved so far up your ass by big black men.
I like my big black man. You should have seen me with Ellie's dad last night. Get that on YouTube. It looks like a really bad Guitar Hero player. Fuck you!
You're worse than I am. I can't even watch.
I know. That was good too.
It's okay, I get it every day.
Oh, let's put canola oil in. I'll put it in yours.
You put too much ice in.
Dude,
Add milk. Add a little bit of milk. Take 1 ice cube out of each.
I'm not gonna actually hit you. Everyone in this house does that. I go, and I think you're gonna hit him. I never hit.
We haven't been hanging around you long enough to know. Okay, and get milk. Get milk.
I will.
Jordan, actually doing work.
Well, if this work is beneficial, just watch. After he finishes the drink, he won't put it in the dishwasher. Even if the dishwasher is wide open and free.
I never knew to put it in there.
And look, Jordan, you could have gotten the basket instead of emptying the
Huh?
tray.
I can't hear you, you handicapped Jesus. Even though you're right next to me, I can't hear you, you fucking retard. I already